Hey, just a quick video to give you a really small skill that I see some students just missing in a way that would really help them out if they knew how to do it. So the title of the video is going to be Printing to PDF. Now, most modern computers, as I record this should I say what year? Whatever year, around the time I'm recording this, most computers have a print to PDF option built in. If yours doesn't, there's actually a program called Primo PDF, Primo, Primo PDF, probably Primo, that will put that as a printer driver on your computer. And so you can print anything into a PDF by using that. And when I say print to a PDF, let me show you what I mean. So it works really well from all the Microsoft suite of programs. You just go to File and Print like you normally would. And when the dialog box pops up, there's a little PDF option in the bottom corner. So you click this and you can save it as a PDF. And then it'll ask you where to save. You can put it wherever you want. You can name it whatever you want. And you've turned whatever you were just working on into a PDF. So you can see here that it works in Excel. It also works and probably makes more sense in Word. Just so that it says something. Print. PDF. Save as PDF. One thing to keep in mind, though, is when you use this method, it essentially takes like a photo of your document and turns that into a PDF. If you want to save as a PDF in a way that's a little more usable, it's actually pretty convenient on most modern computers to go to Save As, and then just change the file format in the option underneath the folder locator. So you'll have all kinds of common formats here, the old forms of Word templates and all that. Just grab PDF. And there are two options here. The best for printing option will make it look really nice. It'll make all the lines really sharp. So if you're going to print the thing, maybe that'll be the best option. But if you're going to distribute or use it electronically and you want it to be accessible and you want the hyperlinks to stay on and you want any image labels to stay in the metadata, then you want to use this bullet option. And when you hit export, it will save it as a PDF to whatever location you give it. I just wanted to show you that this action works outside of Word and outside of the Microsoft suite. So here we're in Apple Pages. I'm going to use print first and show you that when you hit print, you have the PDF option yet again. Now, in terms of duplicate, you can't, I wonder what oh, here we go. Export to is going to be our option. We're going to export to PDF. And you can do the same kind of thing. Image quality, you can include annotations, and you can choose to tag the document with accessibility type things. You also, by the way, if you have Pages and are having trouble because when you share documents, people can't read them because they don't have a Mac, you can export to Word from within Pages. So it's really nice and easy to do that as well. Works the same as any other kind of saving that you might be doing. I'll show you this same idea on one last place. Let's say you ran into a really incredible Twitter feed that you were like, I gotta save that. If you go to Save Page As, you actually can't export this as a PDF this way, so don't do that. But if you go to Print, the option appears yet again. So the print option is going to be pretty much everywhere. And again, this is where if you don't have this little print box on your computer, you can actually add a PDF printer up here on your printer list by going again to Primo PDF's website, downloading their app, and putting that in as a printer driver. So instead of choosing your DeskJet or whatever you have, you would have a third option, or I would have a third option here that said Primo PDF. So I hope that little lesson is helpful. This is just a really quick tip to try to help you deal with some of those so frustrating file formatting issues that we deal with in modern academic work and modern school work. So thanks for watching.